Hello, everyone. Welcome to Aditi Jain's Little World. Welcome to my podcast, The Art of Conversation, Episode 7. I have a very special friend of mine today and an amazing person, Dr. Jasleen Kaur Soni. And recently, she won an amazing title as Mrs. Canada Nova Cosmo in 2024. First of all, congratulations,
Thank you,
Jasleen.
Aditi.
Many congratulations. I'm really so proud of you and thank you for coming here and supporting me in this journey.
Thank you so much for having me, Aditi, and thank you so much for this nice introduction.
Okay, and guys, I also want to tell a little bit about that. She's a dentist and she's a mom and she's a pageant winner and she also do fashion modeling. And apart from that, I want to listen from Jasleen. Jasleen, tell me something about you that we don't know.
Okay, thank you, Aditi. Hi, everyone. So, as Aditi told you, most of the things about me. So, apart from that, I would like to say that a little about my background. So, I came from India 10 years back along with my husband and my son.
Oh, that's
And
amazing.
then I opened my dental offices here. So, I have two dental offices in GTA. One is in Burlington and one is in Caledon.
That's amazing,
And
guys.
yeah.
I'm not going to pay a lot of dentist bills here for sure.
Of course. Apart from that, I also advocate for women's mental health.
Okay.
So I recently noticed and became aware of this issue, like we women keep on suffering in silence.
Okay.
And so I just wanted to raise awareness about this issue, like our mental health is as important as our physical health. So I'm trying to do a little part on myself.
Oh, that's amazing. You are doing amazing job. And I believe today in this world, mental health awareness is the most important thing that we should talk about because nobody talks about. So, Jasleen, tell me, what do you think? Like, why we are not able to express ourselves the way we should be?
So दीप्ति एक तो मुझे लगता है कि being a woman as well, so we go through so many things, so many changes in our body as well.
Okay.
So mostly मैंने देखा कि women are not aware of even those things कि what is happening to them.
Okay.
So like when you are going through pregnancy, after pregnancy, there are so many hormonal changes inside you going on.
Okay.
And there is a postpartum depression that people are not aware of. They just know that they are not feeling okay, but they don't know what is exactly happening to them. And it is very natural to have that thing as well.
Exactly.
And apart from that, yeah, we have so many external factors like the society we are living and so many like family pressures on like women still don't feel that empowered and also not feel comfortable speaking about they are going through something because they are afraid of being judged or something like that.
Exactly. I totally agree with that. And also, like, if I talk about in normal routine, like every month we went through our journey of hormonal changes, and every time we feel those emotions, right? And I believe, like, out of 30 days, 15 days are gone.
Definitely.
Like 7 days before and 7 days into that and 7 days, maybe that cycle is really like less for the others, but if I talk about myself, it is like that. And I believe that is the, sometimes I feel like why it is happening to me, although it's a kind of another blessing for a woman, but the kind of the pain, the kind of the hormonal changes we went through, it becomes a that kind of feeling. Oh
yeah, so this is what I want to say, like these things all they make us suffer a lot, like because everybody is different. Some women are suffering with that, some are not, but who are suffering is like their half of the life is going into this thing. And you should not take it lightly. There are the treatments available that can make you feel better. And you don't have to live with it all the time, like it's been told, like this is a part of your body and you have to live with that, but we have another choices that we can make. So that's what I say, like people are not aware of the things, like how we can help ourselves mentally, because these things are really affecting us.
Can you tell me a little bit more about mental health? Like what other factors, apart from hormonal changes, that affects our mental health?
Yeah, Diti. So I also feel like being we have different personalities as well. So sometimes we get into some toxic things, toxic relations in life, and we don't realize that we are going through some kind of an emotional abuse.
Okay.
And because women mostly think like if they are not physically abused or nothing like on visibly happened to them, they don't realize like there are other things, manipulation, gaslighting, so
Yeah.
many things that happen that also affects our mental health, and they think it is okay to live
Accept
like
that.
that and to accept that.
Yeah.
So I feel the most important thing is you should speak about anything you are going through.
Okay.
Only the solution to any problem is you
You
first have to
should
speak out.
speak
Only
about
then
it.
we can find, you know, how to move on in life and how to get the solutions of our problems.
Yeah. Even I believe that we don't prioritize ourselves. Like आने वाली जनरेशन स्टिल हमसे बेटर है, बट माई जनरेशन एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई मॉम्स जनरेशन, we never thought about our own happiness, like singly, like it's not like I was not happy, I was always happy, but we always try to consider our happiness, also taking into consideration what other people will think. But after a time, after reaching a age, now we think that it is really important to make yourself happy so that you can keep others happy.
Definitely.
You have to focus on your physical health then, so that you can help others physically too. And so वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत स्टार्टिंग से हमें कर लेना चाहिए.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Aditi. So we women always think of others first before thinking of ourselves. But I feel like if you want to fill others person's cup, your cup should be filled first.
Oh.
That's why you will pour in the another person's cup, right?
Yeah.
So मुझे अपने आप को देखते तो मुझे खुद लगता है कि all through my life I never give a priority to myself, to my needs. I will first think about my entire people around me, and at the end I'll come to me.
Oh.
So but now I feel like yes, this thing I did for myself as well.
Oh, that's
So,
amazing.
yeah, but still, you know, this thing we women have inside us, like I was talking to you that day as well,
Yeah.
like there is always a guilt factor, like even if I am here, so I'm thinking like, you know, if my son is in a happy place, so I'm happy, so
Happy.
I'm relaxed doing my events and everything.
Yeah.
And if he is at home, so my mind is still there, like if he is
Yeah.
doing okay, so that is normal part of life, but still we should give time to ourselves as also.
Yeah.
And I think if you are happy, you can make others happy only.
Yeah, I totally believe that. Like, if you can't make yourself happy, so don't expect from others to make you happy. You have to first learn how to keep yourself happy. Because see, आप खुद से ही खुश नहीं हो, जो आप कर रहे हो आप उसमें खुश नहीं हो, तो आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो कि कोई एक रैंडम इंसान आपकी लाइफ में आए. आइदर इट इज एनीवन, आइदर इट इज योर पेरेंट्स, इट इज योर पार्टनर, इट इज योर फ्रेंड्स. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरी स्टेज. सो हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द अदर रिलेशनशिप टू मेक यू हैप्पी? आपको कुछ भी करना पड़े अपनी हैप्पीनेस के लिए. आपको लगता है कि कोई फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो, कोई एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो, कुछ भी करो. आपको अपनी जॉब नहीं पसंद है, एक प्रोफेशन वैसा चूज करो, कुछ भी,
एनीथिंग. वन थिंग यू कैन ऐड इन योर रूटीन, लाइक बिकॉज सबको अपने अपने शौक होते हैं. somebody like to go in a nature, whatever is giving you peace. So you should make it a priority, like पूरे 24 hours में at least this thing I'm doing for myself.
Exactly. बेशक से आपको फोन चलाना भी पसंद है, उस एक घंटे में आप बोलो कि nobody will disturb me and I want to just do my phone thing. And also it is very important to give time to yourself in a one day for few hours, you can say for few minutes, whatever, and think about that whatever right now I'm doing, is I'm happy or not. Like मैं हर दिन एक छोटा सा सोने से पहले ना, like ऐसा नहीं है that there are not bad days, there are not good days, but I always think a small thing over the whole day that this thing what made me happy. So उससे क्या होता है, उससे दो अच्छी चीज होती है. एक तो मुझे रियलाइज हो जाता है कि how grateful I am. एक उससे मुझे रियलाइज हो जाता है how blessed I am. और मुझे ये एहसास हो जाता है कि हाँ, still I'm better than others.
Like you are thinking and doing amazing, so it should be like that only. I even ask my son every night, like, what is the thing that made you happy today?
Really?
So I just wanted to make a habit of being grateful in him as well. So yeah, I think
that's a very good like routine that you can do with your child. Like मेरे को तो ये बहुत time बाद समझ आया है. Like I just like learned this over the past few years only, but I started doing it. तो उससे क्या होता है, एक fulfillment समझ आता है. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कुछ बुरा नहीं लगेगा, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, बट एक छोटी सी चीज जो होती है ना, फिर वो नेक्स्ट डे होता है कि उम्मीद मिल जाती है कि ओके लेट्स डू इट अगेन. ओके, सो जसलीन टेल मी व्हाट इज सक्सेस फॉर यू?
Success for me, I think it is a very subjective term. So success is about your contentment,
okay,
like your happiness. So sometimes if there are two people, and if we can say supposedly one is at the waiter position and one is at a millionaire position.
Okay.
So if उसका target ही नहीं है वहाँ तक पहुँचना, so it depends आपने कहाँ से आप उठे हो. तो अगर आपने अपना टारगेट अचीव कर लिया एंड इफ यू आर सक्सेसफुल फ्रॉम योर हार्ट एंड यू आर कंटेंट, and I think you are successful. You don't need the other person to validate you that you are successful.
Exactly.
I think this was my target, so
yeah,
I am successful already.
Yeah, आपने जैसे बात की वेटर की, अब उसकी जर्नी मे बी वो एक ऐसी जगह से आता हो जहाँ पे एक वेटर प्रॉपर अच्छे बड़े होटल में होना इज लाइक अ बिग थिंग है. हाँ,
so you can't make him feel, you know,
that you are not successful. So I totally believe that success cannot be defined in one word. It is dependent on like different kind of the journeys we went through. Like किसी इंसान की कोई
अलग-अलग,
हाँ, सबकी अलग-अलग जर्नी है,
अपने setbacks हैं,
exactly.
So अलग life है, so you can't compare one with the another. So I don't know how to define it. Like, you know, if you are this and this and that's then you are successful. हर किसी की priorities ही different है, right?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, Jasleen, tell me one thing that makes you happy and that you believe that we should follow that one thing during our whole life.
I think my answer would be kindness and empathy.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, so I feel doesn't matter what you are doing in life, in which business you are, in relationships, and everywhere it works. So I think this at the end of the day, कोई आपको नहीं याद रखता, even if you are a beauty queen, beauty pageant. So at the end of the day, they are gonna remember like how nicely you treated them. Exactly. And that is the thing that makes you look pretty and beautiful.
Yeah, exactly. I totally believe in that. That even I believe in same. Ki little kind to others is the only thing that you can do these days. People are going through a lot, and if you just say few kind words,
definitely
they will make them maybe happy, and they will make their day for like few minutes, and that is the only thing that you can do, right? Because हम हर किसी को फाइनेंशियली हेल्प नहीं कर सकते, हर किसी को हम प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन नहीं निकाल सकते, बट हम किसी से मिलते हैं, व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन जस्ट ट्राई टू बी काइंड. एम्पैथी भी तब आती है कि हम कोई हमें अपनी प्रॉब्लम के बारे में बताए तो वी कैन से, बट आई एग्री विद यू कि कोई हमें हमारे अचीवमेंट्स को याद नहीं रखेगा, हमारे टाइटल्स को याद नहीं रखेगा, सिर्फ जो वो याद रखेंगे कि हमें उस इंसान ने ऐसे ट्रीट किया था.
बिल्कुल. Exactly. So how you made them feel, like
exactly.
It all matters.
And I always remember you made me feel for the first time when I came to your place. Guys, I'm telling you, she's been amazing host. Like, I love to attend every party of yours because so amazing presentation, so amazing delicious food, and like everything was on so top, and like I was like really and just imagine I had other plans, but somehow I don't know, her manifestation worked. She called me 2-3 times like, Aditi, nahi, you have to do it. I was like, no, I can't because I have other plans. But
so I always believe कि आप कुछ करना चाहो ना तो सारी कायनात हो जाती है.
But like this is, I know, like you were like, Aditi, नहीं, फिर भी देख लेना. Like I know you have plans, and guys, मेरा plan cancel हुआ, and I was like, okay, I was not feeling well कि मेरा वो plan cancel हो गया, and then I was like, okay, let's call Jasleen. Okay, Jasleen, I'm coming. I will be late, but I will be coming.
I'm so glad you came. You made it from so far. I really appreciate, and you're so bubbly girl, and we had so much fun.
Yeah, I know that. I was a YouTuber only there. But yeah, even I had fun. Everyone was so good, and like everyone was so looking pretty. It's a kind of a thing that we should do it regularly. And on one condition, you will be the host.
Sure. Anytime, I love to be creative with the things. And,
Yeah,
I don't get a chance these days,
like,
but I love event planning.
Tell me one thing. Like, you are so creative. Like how you are managing pageant and this all creative things all together. Like dentist. Like, because I know how this profession demands your all like hard work here. So how you are managing everything?
Yeah, Aditi, everybody asks me this question these days, and then I think, oh yeah, how I'm doing this.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm on a roller coaster ride these days.
I agree with that.
I told you my today's routine as well.
Yeah.
Since 7 a.m. I'm doing something. So, but I feel like, I know balance is the key, but I always say like there is always a time for everything in life.
Okay.
So whenever I have done anything in my life, so I give it my whole heart to that thing.
Exactly.
So, like I won this, so I don't want to end this thing here. Like I won the competition and it's done, and then I'm again into my routine life.
Yeah.
So now I feel like I have to prove this. Like if I'm chosen as being Mrs. Canada, so I was worth the decision.
Yeah.
So I just trying to,
See, I gave you this compliment. Like, I saw a lot of people winning pageants. I saw a lot of people doing the same things. But the way you are maintaining this, see, these days a lot of organizations are there, a lot of pageants are going on. But making yourself to be different out of all those things, that is you should be proud of, and I am really proud of.
Thank you so
like
much.
Because I keep on saying you this that day too कि मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ इसे भी जीतना आसान नहीं है, बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है, बट स्टिल इट इज अचीवेबल. बट एक ऑनर को मेंटेन करके रखना, दैट इज वेरी बिग थिंग, एंड यू आर डूइंग वंडरफुल जॉब. and I am gonna learn a lot of things from you for sure, because that's not in my journey, but definitely people who earn this and like going around with them and meeting a lot of other people through you, that is kind of something that I believe gives me a lot of experience and a lot of learnings, and I love to learn from new people.
Absolutely right, Aditi. I think we learn from each other every day. I think God sent us each person for a reason, and we even if the things don't happen good, even then we learn something from them.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Definitely I'm learning from you too as well.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm this on art of conversation only. So I am learning the art of conversation from Aditi Jain.
Oh, thank you so much. That is something never happened on my podcast, that she made it so my title of podcast it so beautifully. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, actually the main purpose of this art of conversation is to learn each other from each other's experiences, and like कहीं भी गलती से भी मेरे किसी एक व्यूअर को, मुझे तो देखो बहुत सीखने को मिलता है, बट मेरे किसी एक व्यूअर को गलती से भी क्लिक हो जाए कि ओके आई कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट, है ना, सो आई विल बी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. सो मेन पर्पस इज टू शेयर एक्सपीरियंसेस विद डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटीज एंड देन लर्निंग फ्रॉम ईच अदर. दैट वाज द मेन फोकस ऑफ माय पॉडकास्ट, एंड you told me this today. That's
so nice. एक चीज मैं इस पे ऐड करना चाहूंगी कि like though मैं बचपन से like I was very active on stage, like in performance, dancing and everything. But one thing I don't like is public speaking. I always say, and when I choose to participate in this pageant, that was the biggest fear, like how I'm gonna face so many people on stage with the mic in my hand. And when I spoke on the stage, and when I'm done speaking for 2 minutes, I have to give, because the top 8 has to give the social speech for 2 minutes. And when I was done with that 2-minute speech, I was like, अब मैं जीतूं या ना जीतूं, but I am already done something in life.
that I always feared of, right?
I think to overcome your fear is also one of the biggest achievements in life.
मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा fear था that being alone, how to live alone. Like I never been so much living alone during my entire life. पहले like family के साथ, फिर PGs में around with girls, and फिर क्या होता है शादी के बाद with family. I never been so much alone. And last year, my roommate also went to visit to India. I was all alone in the home. See, कितना आप लोगों से बात कर लोगे कितना, बट वो जो एक लोनलीनेस वाली फीलिंग होती है ना उस टाइम पे, एंड आई डोंट नो, लाइक दैट वाज अ फियर दैट आई केम थ्रू, एंड इट मेक्स मी सो हैप्पी अबाउट इट, लाइक कि अकेले रहना इतना भी बुरा नहीं है।
नहीं, वो डेफिनेटली जिस चीज से आप इतना टाइम घबरा रहे होते हो, एंड व्हेन यू आर डन विद दैट, सो यू शुड बी रियली प्राउड ऑफ योरसेल्फ।
एग्जैक्टली, आई ऑलवेज फील प्राउड। मैं, मेरे को कोई भी मुश्किल काम आता है ना, तो मुझे लगता है अगर मैं उस चीज से निकल गई तो इस चीज से भी निकल जाऊंगी। तो वो एक
गिव्स यू अ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस।
एग्जैक्टली,
सो यू हैव टू चैलेंज योर ओन things।
और सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज होता है व्हेन यू आर फ्रॉम अ फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, वहाँ जहाँ पर आपको हर चीज आपके बोलने से पहले मिल जाए, और then you are coming all the way from, like starting from zero and asking for help, asking for suggestions, asking for everything. But still, like I believe that I went through all this, and whatever I'm doing right now, I'm happy about it.
You are doing amazing. It's really commendable.
No, thank you so much. I see, as I told you, I love to learn. Each day I learn new things, whether it's from my job, whether it's from my content creating, meeting new people, but definitely helped a lot. I will not give all the credit to myself. A lot of people helped me through this journey.
Definitely.
And I believe also, कभी भी आप एक कोई भी जर्नी है आप अकेले नहीं निकल सकते हो.
So I always say, like, I also want to give a credit to lot of people whatever I'm doing. So I think being in a supportive family is such a blessing.
Yeah, exactly.
So I think that is one of the biggest assets you have if your family is like kind of supportive.
Definitely, I can feel that.
Because many like women, like they don't get a chance to succeed in life because they're always pushed back by their own people, right? And other thing, like you said, like even we meet so many people, तो मुझे लगता है कि एक बंदे को आप मिलते हो, वो आपको जरिया बनता है किसी और बंदे के साथ कनेक्ट कराने में, and this is how your destiny. So everything works together to make you a successful person.
Definitely.
And one thing specifically I would like to say always, like there can be a one man behind anyone's success, any woman's success, but there is a bunch of women behind every woman's success.
Exactly. Oh, that's amazing. Like that, I never heard earlier. Can you repeat that? Actually, I never heard. I was like, what do you think? Okay, that's amazing. But definitely, I want you to repeat this quote so that we can definitely.
So I would say, like, there can be a one man behind any woman's success.
Okay.
But there are a bunch of women behind every woman's success.
So that's called woman empowerment. Definitely, I believe in this. Like, because not this podcast, ड्यूरिंग माई होल जर्नी, जितना मुझे दूसरे मतलब गर्ल्स, मेरी गर्ल फ्रेंड्स ने और जितना गर्ल और कंटेंट क्रिएटर ने हेल्प किया, उतना किसी ने नहीं किया. सी, एवरीवन प्लेड देयर ओन पार्ट इन माई होल जर्नी, बट डेफिनेटली आई कैन ऑल्सो गिव लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट टू देम. Okay, that's good to know. And Jasleen, I want to ask about your fitness. And I want a real tips on that because that is something that I never focused, but I try to be. It's not like that I never did, but I try to be. But maintaining like you, it's a difficult task. So what do you do actually?
So first of all, thank you for this compliment. And what I will say about the fitness, so there are still many things that I want to do and still I'm not able to do.
Okay.
But I would say, like, about for myself, like I take a good care of my eating habits.
Okay.
More than the exercise part. I'm not getting that much time to be regular, but I keep on doing few things in between gymming, or recently joined with the dance fitness class as well.
Okay.
But I'm not, frankly speaking, I am not much regular, specifically this year. But also I'm pre-diabetic as well. From many years, like it's been 15 years, so I am always cutting down on my sugars. So this is the one tip I can give to anyone, like if you want to really control your weight, and the first thing that you can cut from your diet is the sugars, and it will work wonders for you.
Yeah, I can see that. You are a perfect example of that. Okay, so guys, like sugar always been a hot topic when it comes to health, and definitely I also try to do that. That's why I'm able to maintain myself little bit, not really, but definitely jitna, like I gained a lot of weight, and when I reduced after that I really look upon it कि मैं शुगर कंटेंट थोड़ा अपने उसमें कम रखूं, so उससे कि एटलीस्ट मेंटेन हो जाता है जितना आपने रिड्यूस किया हो.
बिल्कुल. And apart from that, like exercise and aerobics, yoga, these things are really very underrated.
Yeah.
And it works wonder with your physical and mental health both.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
उस टाइम के लिए आप सिर्फ उस पे फोकस करते हो, you're not thinking anything and you
Yeah.
feel happy about that.
So whatever you feel like
Yeah.
indulging, if you like dance, you like doing yoga, so whatever you can do and you enjoy basically.
Yeah,
if you enjoy,
exactly.
you will do better.
Yeah, but जैसे आपने बताया ना कि you focus more on eating, I heard this a lot कि 70% depends on our diet and 30% is a workout. Workout भी बहुत जरूरी है to keep your body moving, but जो main है ना core, वो हमारा dieting ही है, and that's why these days dietitians are on
Punjabi,
demand.
right? We can't control that much.
You are Punjabi and I'm from Bania community. We are just foodies, like we love to eat, that's all, like, and that too with different kind of options, like we really love to eat. Jasleen, one important thing that I want to ask you in the last, जैसे आपको पता है फॉरेन कंट्रीज में डेंटल ट्रीटमेंट्स आर वेरी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, although they are covered in our insurances, but still they are very expensive. So can you tell me few policies here in Canada specifically so that help my viewers so that they can check their dental properly on regular basis?
Yeah, so I totally understand, like dental treatment is way too costly here if you don't have insurance especially.
Yeah.
So there are few programs by the government,
Okay.
like that might be people who are not aware of, so I would like to tell you. So there is a Healthy Smiles for the kids.
Okay.
So that is covered for the kids, like under some specific age limit.
Okay.
And then there is a CDCP program that was recently launched by the government for the seniors.
Okay.
So for now we are taking a specific age group for that, but slowly the age limit will get down.
Okay.
So that also gives a good coverage for the dental treatment. So any seniors who are not able to afford their dental treatment, just make sure you are aware of this CDCP plan and you are making complete use of that.
छोटे के लिए हो गया, बड़ों के लिए हो गया, बीच वालों के लिए
बीच वालों के लिए I would say like come to me. I can give you a good discount on Aditi's name.
On my name. Guys, on my name you will get a good discount from her, and definitely beach wali age ke liye, definitely if you are working with a good company, they give also you coverage, a lot of coverage, so you can contact your company's insurance and have knowledge about that, right?
Yes.
So Jasleen, thank you so much for sharing so many experiences. I learned a lot and I believe मेरे viewers को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. And I always say to every person who comes here, thank you so much for giving your time. That is the most precious thing in the life that anyone can give it to you. And I am really grateful and I'm really thankful for that. You giving your, like, out of your busy schedule and giving me so much time. It really means a lot.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Aditi, for having me here. I think that you are doing amazing by doing this podcast, The Art of Conversation, because I feel like sometimes we have a lot to say, but we don't get a proper platform where to speak yourself, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So I think you are giving a good platform to people who want to speak out. And this is really amazing, and you are doing really amazing. I already said you are such a bubbly, cute girl and doing wonders.
Thank you so much. That really means a lot. No, definitely, guys. See, जैसे कि हमने पहले भी बोला था कि together we will grow. And thank you so much again for watching this podcast. I hope आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो. Please like, share और comment करना ना भूलें. And thank you so much.